Number 1. How is the following number written in standard form? How is the following number written in standard notation? 2 times 100 million plus 9 times 100,000 plus 6 times 10,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 3 times 1/10. Number 2. Write the following number in standard form: 92 1,000s, 800s, 42 ones, 2/10. Number 3, you're going to round the following number. You're going to round to the nearest 1,000, to the nearest 10,000, and to the nearest 100,000. And number 4, Deb has the following amount of money: 9 quarters, 4 dimes, 4 nickels, and 3 pennies. Draw models of this amount of money below. What is the total amount, and what digit is in the tenths place?